Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about something that I love that I have in my house. So I love animals, especially kitty cats. They are one of my favorite animals, and my friends will know that. So for my bachelorette party, my friend gave me this cute little gift, and it came with this, a bottle of wine, and she got me like a candle. It's like some of my favorite things. So when I first got this, I was like, oh, it's like a cat cookie jar. Then I like showed it to my mom because my mom's the same way. She loves cats, and she's like, oh, you're such a dope. Like, it's not a cat cookie jar. She's like, you could put your cat treats in it. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I have a kitty cat. Her name's Penny. She's eating right now. That's what she does the best. Right, Penny? It's great because I have like a cute little thing to keep all her little treats in. All her kitty treats. They store nicely. It's like an airtight sealer. I'm not sure the dimensions, which at the bottom, but it came just like this. Unfortunately, I guess she had it shipped and like the ears chipped off a little bit. That's why it looks like that. But I mean, at least it matches and it's on both sides, so I don't think it's that noticeable. But it's a hand painted kitty jar with glasses. I think it's so cute. Put it upside down. So it is Smarty Cat Hinged Jar is what it's called, by Boston Warehouse Trading Corporation. All rights reserved. Creative ideas for home entertaining. And hand wash recommended. I usually will just like rinse it out, wipe it down. Definitely don't put it in the dishwasher and don't scrub too hard. Just use like a light soap and a sponge, hot water, or even cold water, and just rinse it off and dry it right away so it doesn't get ruined. But I just think it's so cute. It's adorable. I just keep it on my countertop next to my cat cookie jar. I swear I'm not a cat lady, guys. But it's so cute with the glasses and everything. I just think it's adorable, and it just makes such a great like conversation piece, and it's like a novelty. It's just kind of funny and it's different. I had never really seen anything like it before. I like that it's like kind of cartoonish, and I love the colors, the orange with the red, little pink nose. Special that it is hand painted. It does have some nicks here and there that I did not do to it. I think that just, I think she mentioned it had come like that when she had it shipped, unfortunately. Just super adorable, super easy to open. Like, you just literally pull this latch up right here, take this off, pop it open. And it's good because in the kitty cat treat, I guess you could put these and some other things in there and they won't go stale because it is airtight sealed. So whenever my kitty is behaving herself, I give her like 3 little treats at a time, and she absolutely loves it. Super cute because people come over and they're like, oh, I love that thing, like it's adorable. And I think it's so unique when you receive gifts like that, like this, because it's different than your bottle of wine or whatever gift card, whatever you get. I think it's cute because it means someone thought of you, like, oh, like I know you love cats, so I got you this, and it's different. It's something that not everyone has, and I just think it looks so cute on the countertop where I put it with the cookie jar. Keep it in my kitchen, and it's a great way to store my kitty cat's little treats that she has. So if you don't have cats at home, or you want to get this for someone that maybe likes animals, or you just think that they would think it's cute but they don't have a pet, this is really great for storing other things like cookies, coffee, tea, cocoa, pasta. If you have a dog, you could put dog treats in there. It's made of high quality earthenware composition, and with that metal ring, it'll seal contents airtight and fresh. They also, Boston Warehouse makes other things, a lot of like different kitty things. They have another hand-painted kitty hinged jar that's a little bit different without the glasses, a little bit more feminine looking. They have a catnip hinged jar. Oh, this would be good for catnip too. They have a ceramic cat treat cookie jar. See like little cat salt and pepper shakers that I just think are so adorable. And I'm just really happy with it. You just gotta be careful, of course, because it's glass, but I think that this would be great to add because Smarty Cat makes so many different great things. I think this would be awesome. Just add to your kitchen, and like, I will collect more of them actually. I think they're so cute and they just make me happy. They're just lighthearted and fun, and they could just be for decoration. You don't even need to use them for anything, but really nice. Got to just be careful, of course, when you're getting it in the mail, if you're ordering it online, that it's sealed up nice from the seller so that it doesn't come chipped or anything like that, but just super cute. They have, what else? They have something similar that's like a similar looking kitty cat, but it holds a sponge. It's sturdy for the most part, and they make mugs and stuff too. So I'm just like really happy with it. And then I like how the back has like the little tail and stuff, super lifelike looking. I think my cat here, she knows now. She's getting smart on me and she knows when I'm opening up the cat treats. All right, Penny, here, I give her a treat from her jar. Is that good? She loves it. So anyway, that is the Smarty Cat Hinged Jar. I hope you guys will try it out, and I really hope you found the video useful. Get it for a gift, for yourself, for your friend, family member, whoever needs a gift and you want to do something unique and really fun. This is definitely it. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.